The objectives of the game is to encourage children's intellectual, emotional, social and physical development, and another objective is to prevent vandalism on nature and thus educate people the value of nature from early age. The group range who can play this game is from 6 years old middle children until 24 years old youths. The process of the game is first divide kids into 2 to 3 person in a group with mixed range of age for the first 2 minutes. Then ask kids to go outdoor in a group to collect materials for 10 minutes. We can conduct this game in both environment, which is indoors such as in a classroom, and outdoors like under a big and shady tree. Some required tools and materials are glue, scissors, cellophane tape, paper, leaves, small and big size stones, seeds and fruits of plants, medium or big size firewood, and also sticks. Children who below 10 years old need guidance when they use sharp tools such as scissors. Each group are given 15 minutes to create animal and insects using the materials that they have collected. Once the participants done their work, every group need to present with the outcome and tell the reasons for them to come up with such ideas.
Okay, kids. Speak, kids. Why do you choose to do this animal?
This is bird because I like mammals, but the others is so hard. That's why I choose to make a bird. This is a beetle. I like insects because also the others so hard. That's why I don't do.
Hi, can you explain about your project?
So this is snail. We got the idea from the SpongeBob SquarePants Jerry. So we made this one from the stone, the wood, the stick, and I don't know what is this. I think it's seed and some leaf for like forest in the forest, and then we make a stone with our name.
Signature. To add up, snails are slow, but they never give up.
Okay, thank you.
There are 3 cognitive benefits. First, improves comprehension, where to encourage participants to take a hands-on approach to learning, and this allows them to explore the material and develop a deeper understanding. Second, develop problem-solving skills, where this helps students build transferable problem solving and study skills that they can apply in any subject. Third, instills a love of learning. Giving students the chance to actively engage in learning makes it fun and exciting. This helps students to develop a lifelong love for learning outside of the classroom.